Okay, so here, uh, okay, so in intermediate mathematics 1A, so this paper is given by the Board of Intermediate Education. Okay, so here he mentioned model question paper for IPE 2020 to 2021 exams only. Okay, so this paper is specially for 2020 and 2021 exams. Okay, so it is given, means based on the 70% syllabus, 30% syllabus is deleted. So based on that syllabus, new syllabus, okay, so this question paper is given by the board. Okay, so here question paper pattern is as it is like this only. So total number of questions, we have 30 questions in the question paper. Okay, total number of printed pages, okay, it may be 3 or 4. Okay, so it depends. Okay, so but number of questions are 30 only. So here you need to write your roll number, registered number. Okay, so that is nothing but your hall ticket number, roll number. So you are going to write here. Okay, after getting the hall ticket. So the mathematics paper 1A. Okay, so model question paper for IPE 2020 to 2021 exams only. Okay, so the duration of the exam is 3 hours. 3 hours is maximum time. Okay, so given. Okay, so and your marks. Okay, so conducting the exams for maximum marks 75. 75. Okay, first we have section A, first section. Okay, so this is a very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. We have all answer all questions. There is no choice here. There is no choice. We need to attempt all the questions. Okay, no choice here. Each question carries 2 marks. Answer all questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay, what about the marks here? So 10 into 2 is equals to 20 marks. Okay, 10 questions and each one 2 marks. Total 20 marks. Total 20 marks. Okay, so first question is given from, first question is given from the chapter. Okay, functions. First question is given from the chapter functions. Okay, so we get like this only mostly. Okay, so given this is given by the board. Okay, so weightage also given. So according to that, this is here surjection type question he gave. So this model is very important model. Okay, so in the same model we have few other questions. Okay, so 1-2 questions are there, surjection model, and other than this we have some other models also. You need to prepare those models also. Okay, so surjection is nothing but f of x is equals to y. Okay, range is equals to codomain. Based on that we have to find out. Okay, so f of x is equals to y, or we can apply f of a is equals to b. Okay, by using this concept we can find the b here. Okay, so after that here he asked the domain of the real valued function. Okay, so domain related we get 1 question, and basic functions related we get 1 more question. Total we get 2 questions from the functions. Okay, so after that next we have the question from the matrices. Okay, from the matrices we get the basic question only. Here also mostly we get the question from the first exercise. Mostly we get question from the first exercise, basic concepts, either first exercise or second exercise. Okay, so after that okay, 1 more question we get from the, okay, so matrix multiplications, transformations. Okay, transpose of the matrix. Okay, so from those concepts we get 1 more question. Total we get 2 questions from the matrices. Okay, so after that next fifth question we get from the, okay, so vectors, addition of vectors, collinear problem. Okay, this is a collinear problem we get from the addition of vectors. Okay, next 6th question, find the vector equation of the line passing through the okay, so here point and parallel to the other vector. So this is also from the addition of vectors. So from addition of vectors we are going to get 2 questions. Okay, so addition of vectors chapter is also very important here. Addition of vectors chapter also very important. Okay, after that, okay, if we go to next page. Okay, so in this we have Okay, so question is A vector is given, B vector is given. Show that A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular to each other. This is the question from the product of vectors. From the product of vector question, okay, chapter we are going to get the question. Okay, VSQ, very short and type questions. Okay, till here 7 questions completed, and the next 8th question we get from the trigonometry ratios up to transformation. Trigonometry ratios up to transformations. Okay, after that the next question number 9th. Okay, 8th question mostly we get from the basic concepts, and the 9th question we may get related to period of the function or some other concepts also. We have sin 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, 3 theta formulas. Okay, so from those we get the question. Okay, so this is from the trigonometry ratios up to transformation, same chapter only. Okay, so 8th and 9th questions. Next 10th question we get from the hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic functions. So in all these questions there is no choice in all these questions. 10 out of 10. So if you want to score full out of full in section A, okay, easily you can score 75 out of 75. Easily you can score 75 out of 75. Okay, why? Because we don't have choice in section A. Be careful and practice all the concepts. Okay, all the very short answer questions from exercise examples, as well as better to read the concept also, introduction part of the chapter also. Okay, so without missing you can score full out of full in this. Okay, so section A. Okay, as well as 75 out of 75 if you are able to score full marks here. Okay, so why? Because what about the other sections? Other sections are a little bit easy because of the COVID. The question paper pattern became little bit easier than the previous year. Okay, so why? Because here we have 50% of the choice from section B and section C. 50% choice. Okay, so here in section B, we have short answer type questions. Okay, so answer any 5 questions. Okay, 5 into, okay, so 4 marks each one. 5 questions, each one 4 marks, total 20 marks. Total 20 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. Here you mentioned. Okay, so question paper as it is like this only we get. Okay, so here if we take the question number 11, okay, this question number 11 is given from the matrices, and question number 12 also from the matrices, inverse concept. This is multiplication concept, and this is a inverse, adjoint and inverse related concept. Okay, so practice well, so easily you can score full marks in the matrices. Okay, after that the question number 13. Question number 13 is given from the addition of vectors. Question number 13 is from the addition of vectors. Okay, this is a very important question here. Okay, let A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, be a regular hexagon with center O. Show that AB plus AC plus AD plus AE plus AF is equals to 3AD, that is equals to 6 into AO. Okay, so this is one of the most important question, compulsory. Okay, so prepare these questions. Okay, so in the so next classes we are going to solve all these questions. I'll explain all the questions in the order. Okay, without taking any choice. Okay, for the preparation, no choice, don't take choice. Okay, so in the exam only, whatever you are not getting, so that is only the choice here. Okay, so after that, find the equation of the plane passing through the point and perpendicular to the vectors. Okay, and the distance from the plane. Okay, so distance of this plane from the origin. Okay, so this is this question is given from the product of vectors. Question number 14 from the product of vectors. Okay, and question number 15. Question number 15 again from the addition of vectors. Addition of vectors. Okay, so next question number 16. If we take the question number 16, okay, this question number 16 is given from the trigonometry again. Okay, trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Okay, so I think today only we did these questions, right, Lena? So we did these questions already. Okay, this question and this question number
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
17, all these we did already. Okay, so here question number 16 and 17, from the trigonometric ratios up to transformation. Trigonometric ratios up to transformation chapter. Okay, next question number 18, from the hyperbolic. What is the difference between normal trigonometry and hyperbolic? Only h is extra here. Tan hx, cos hx, sin hx, like that. H is extra. Okay, few formulas are little bit different. Okay, but maximum, okay, they are interlinked. One is interlinked with other one. Okay, most of the formula are similar. Most of the formula are similar. Okay, so after that, next question number 19 is given from the properties of triangles. Properties of triangles chapter. Okay, so and after that, question number 20. Question number 20 also given from the properties of triangles. These two questions, okay, question number 19 and 20, both are from the properties of triangles only. Properties of triangles only. Okay, so after that we have section C. Here 10 questions are, how many questions are given in section B? Total 10 questions are given. Okay, total how many questions are given? 10. Question number 11 here in section B, question number 11 to 20. How many questions we need to attempt here? Only 5. We have to attempt only 5. 5 into 4 is equals to 20. We have 50% of the choice. Prepare well, focus well. Easily you can score full out of full in this. No doubt at all. Just little bit you need to. Okay.
So you're not going to explain, sir.
I'll explain after this. Okay, orally I am explaining the paper. After that I'll explain all the questions. Okay, so here easily you can score full out of full in this. Okay, after that, okay, we have section C. After that we have section C. Okay, in section C we have long answer type of questions. All are long answer type questions. Okay, so in this also, okay, so 5 questions. We need to attempt 5 questions. Each question carries 7 marks. Total, okay, 5 questions into 7 marks each one. Total 35 marks. Okay, so here 21st question we get from the functions. Here, once observe this question. This is not 7 marks question. Okay, before that we used to get this type of questions in 2 marks and 2 marks questions. Okay, but here combination of questions, 2 marks questions he is giving. Okay, so why? Because this time whatever we have the long answer type of questions, theorems, okay, theorems questions are deleted. All the long answer questions are deleted. That's why, okay, we get the long answer question in the combination of 2 marks or little bit lengthy, means 2 marks and 4 marks, like that we get. Like that we get. Okay, so next, after that, question number 22 is from the matrices again. Question number 22 again from the matrices. Question number 22 is okay, so multiplication related. This is multiplication related question. Okay, so and question number 23. Okay, so from the Cramer's rule, solving the equation, Cramer's rule. And after that this question from the, okay, so matrix inversion method, solving equations type of question. Okay, these are also from the matrices, means these 3 questions we are getting from the matrices chapter. Matrices chapter. Okay, so little bit effort. If you keep little bit effort, easily you can, okay, so get full out of full in this. Okay, so 3 out of 3 we can solve. Okay, so after that, next question number 25. Okay, so this is from the, okay, so addition of vectors. This is from the addition of vectors. After that, the next question, question number 26, from the product of vectors, A cross B, A cross C. This is the product of vectors. And question number 27, question number 27 also, okay, so from the product of vectors only. Product of vectors only. Okay, so and after that, question number 28. Okay, from the trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Okay, and 29 from the properties of triangles. 30 also from the properties of triangles. Okay, this is one of the most important. Whatever the questions are given, okay, so in the model paper, all these questions are very, very important. First of all, you need to practice all these questions. Okay, so pass marks is very simple. Pass marks is very simple, as well as if you want to score full out of full, it is possible here. Easily you can score 70 plus or 75 out of 75 if you practice. Okay, so section A, section B, and section C questions. Why? Because in section B and section C we have 50% of the choice. Okay, do you have any doubts till here? Okay, only paper explanation. I explained only paper pattern.
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubts, ask me. So then we'll start the problems. I'll explain all the questions. Okay, anybody?
No.
No. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so here